Hey guys, welcome to Shaka channel guys. So guys, who are first time is watching the videos, watch completely video, you can understanding the steps. Where you can't understand the step, you can ask me and definitely will be help how we can activate this feature. This feature will be how you can activate WhatsApp chat button on your particular WordPress website, including live chat option. There will be customer will be how we can chat, how time we can reply. This all will be discussed. Here, as selecting for one WordPress website, iomacademy.in. They're providing for groups and essay constable training. So now, based on notification about Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, any notification, they give the proper training here. In this website, how we can activate WhatsApp chat option. In this purpose, we can use option name is called whati.io. WhatsApp chat button is a URL. Here, first of all, we can give by live chat. Here, select the option button nearby left or right. I'm focusing over left button. Here, name. So what is the name here? You can use the name will be, I'm just copy paste. Here will be using this option. You can add the phone number. So anyone looking for any kind of particular constable training, everything, they will provide the training. You can contact this particular person name will be there. You can contact them along with the options. Okay. Hi there. How may I help you? This will be particular option. In this will be here the particular option, and this will be particular code will be here. Here final option will be image URL will be given in this. This here nothing but your icon. Suppose if you're using for your icon, Control F. So you can use in your icon. What is the icon will be used? Is yeah. Copy this one and paste it. Image will be changed here. Okay, we can add this option. First of all, check it out. Is the link is working or not? The perfectly working for link also. Link is working. Now, get the code. Copy the complete code option. Okay, where you can go for WordPress dashboard. These are the one of the best plugin is called. We can use for without plugin and with the plugin. Both options are eligible. Appearance, you can use theme editor. Or else, if you use plugin, the plugin name is called Insert Header and Footer plugin. Go to setting. Once install this plugin, the plugin visible by the setting option. Insert Header and Footer plugin, and this code we can add by the anywhere where you can add this code, update and click for save this option. After that, you can refresh. The WhatsApp chat button will can give by here is the option. Hi there, how can I help you? They will be start the chat option. So these are the future. So we can add any kind of futures, any kind of themes will be have the question will be here. So suppose they're providing for two options right now. Group training. It's a constable training. So once again, update the code. Once you change any option, code update is very, very important in the particular sites. See here. So it's a constable training and group trainings. This option will be given by the particular users. So this is a future. We can add the all pages will be default. There's nothing but default. We can add this code will be here. So this future we can utilize to chart will be here. This completely free. Nothing will be charged. If you go to the paid version, when you come into this one, they're not showing this option. If you go into the free version, they show here. If you're not showing for paid version, they can't show this option. There's only one drawback. Remain everything good. You can use the chart option by using this feature will be here. Suppose this is very, I can't show this one. We can use a plugin onto WordPress for the WhatsApp chat button. So that will be help the particular WordPress also. But this will be which is plugin is workout, which is plugin is not workout. They must be confused. That is the purpose. I'm saying this Wati website. You can utilize and happy to add WhatsApp chat button on your particular WordPress website. Any further question, you can contact me in my channel. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.